Hello everyone. Well, this is a very unusual one. I suppose it's kind of an unboxing, but it's not really because it's already been unboxed many times. It is Le Nez Du Vin by Jean Renoir. It is a kit of something to do with wine, of course, in French, yeah. Of course. Bordeaux, actually. Anyway, let's have a look. What's inside? What do you think? It says 54. What does that mean? Oh, it's a beautiful box. My goodness. My goodness. What do we got here? What have we here? Look at this. Beautiful instructions. We've got a serial number for the kit. Yeah, this book that tells us what's going on. A whole bunch of numbers, different colours. And inside, talks about smell. Well, there you are. Tells you about all of the smells in wine. Yeah, interesting, eh? All right, so that's part of it. It's not the best bit. The best bit are these. Right, so these numbers, these cards, flashcards. Flashcards. We've got this rose here, number 28. We've got 29. What have we got? What's that one? That's a violet. Two different colours as well. What's going on? Let's put it back away. What's under here? Because I think it's going to tell us what it is. Look at that. Wow. Well, I think that's what 54 is. It's the number of little vials that we have here. I don't think it takes a genius to work out what's going on now. So what do we have before? We had 28. And if I look for it here, 28 is this one. So let's just get it out. And wonder what's inside, hey? I reckon you know. Oof. Bit of a squirt. Bit of gas coming out. Let me have a sniff. Wow, that's beautiful. That's gorgeous. Yeah, well, there you go. I think I know what this is. Do you know what it is? It's flashcards. But it's random bottles, numbers, and you get to open them up, have a smell, and see if you can remember which one it is. And so the idea here is that you get better at tasting wine because you're more in tune with the various flavours and the smells that you can find when you have a nice wine in front of you. So it's a really nice tool just for training. But you know what? As amazing as this one is, and as beautiful as some of these smells are, there's another one in the collection that I find to be so much more interesting. And I'll show you what it is. It's this one. This one here. Les défauts. Les défauts of Le Nez Du Vin. Again, it's the same sort of line. Les défauts, if you know French, means faults. This is the smell of wine when things don't go quite right. Look at this. Look at this. What have we here? We have vegetal, we have rotten apple, vinegar, glue, soap, sulfur, rotten egg, etc., etc. So all of these things, they smell bad. And actually, yeah, they do. I've got to say, they do actually smell bad. But you know what happens when you put them all together? That just blew me away. And that absolutely blew me away. This kit, when it's nice and closed, and the smells aren't really going anywhere, is just enough smell that leaks out from this box to transport me back to my grandma's cellar in Bordeaux from when I was a kid. And to remember everything that was associated with all those smells. And I didn't think of them as a bad smell. No, of course not. I thought of them as the smell of holidays, or the smell of my family, or the smell of Christmas, or the smell of, you know, going out and getting a baguette in the morning and walking down the road and, you know, seeing all the elderly friends of my grandma and Oh man, it's just hard to explain how strong the emotional tie is to what is supposed to be the worst smelling things. Put them all together and you have something that's absolutely magical, and it smashes any association that I might have with any of the beautiful good smells. I'll leave you guys to think on that for a bit. Bye.